Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, we delve into an important chapter from our Stoic practice journey, reason in all things. Day 90 brings us a profound insight that is key to mastering the Stoic mindset and navigating life with grace. Let's start with a powerful quote from Marcus Aurelius, one of Stoicism's greats. Turn to the ruling principle inherent in yourself, the whole, and your neighbor. To that which is inherent in you, to instill justice. To that which is inherent in the whole, to remember of whose part you are. To that which is inherent in your neighbor, to know if he acted out of ignorance or with knowledge, and at the same time, do not lose sight of the fact that he is related to you. This quote from Meditations 9:22 illustrates the triad of focus in Stoic practice: oneself, the universe, and others. It's all about using reason to mediate our interactions and relationships, striving to be just and to recognize our interconnectedness. Think about it. If our life isn't governed by reason, then what's driving us? Impulses? Desires? Mindless habits? The author of our chapter points out a harsh truth. Often, our past behaviors reveal instances where we acted unconsciously, driven by forces we didn't even pause to examine. And these are typically the moments we regret the most. Reason, as the Stoics teach us, should be our guiding principle. It is the tool that allows us to live wisely, to make choices that align with our values and the greater good. When we act out of impulse or habit, we relinquish control, turning ourselves over to whims and external influences. So, let's break down Marcus Aurelius' wisdom into actionable steps for our daily lives. First, he directs us to turn to the ruling principle inherent in ourselves. This means looking inward, reflecting on our motivations, and ensuring they are just. Ask yourself, are my actions fair? Do they serve a greater good or just a fleeting desire? By continually checking our motives, we practice justice, a cornerstone of Stoic virtue. Next, Marcus encourages us to remember the whole, the universe of which we are a part. This cosmic perspective reminds us that we belong to a greater system. Our actions ripple through the world, influencing others and the environment. Keeping this in mind can foster humility and gratitude. We're not isolated, we're interconnected. Finally, he speaks to our relationship with others. It's crucial to recognize whether our neighbors act out of ignorance or knowledge. This insight encourages empathy and patience. Perhaps someone's harsh words stem from ignorance, not malice. Recognizing this can transform our response from judgment to understanding and compassion. Don't lose sight of our shared humanity. Remember that we all are related. Incorporating these principles can transform how we navigate daily interactions and decisions. Think about a recent conflict or decision point. Reflect on how applying reason could alter the outcome. Did you act with justice towards yourself? Did you consider the greater impact of your actions? Did you approach others with patience and empathy, understanding their perspective? Aligning your actions with Stoic principles requires vigilance and constant practice. It's not always easy, but the rewards are profound: a life of consistency, resilience, and inner peace. To integrate this lesson, I challenge you to a Stoic exercise. Over the next week, consciously apply reason to one area in your life where you often act impulsively. It could be something small, like your morning routine, or something significant, like how you respond to stress at work. Reflect on your motives, consider the broader impact, and approach others with empathy. Note the differences in your actions and feelings, and share your experiences in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together as a community. Remember, Stoicism isn't just ancient philosophy, it's a practical guide to living a fulfilling, resilient life. By turning to reason, to the ruling principle within us, we align ourselves with justice, humility, and empathy. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found value here, please like, subscribe, and share this with friends who might benefit from Stoic wisdom. Until next time, stay resilient, stay disciplined, and find tranquility amidst the chaos.